Party! It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around!
We rifle and loot, stand up, we are yo. We kidnap the rabbits and don't give a hoot, stand up, we are yo. Yo ho, yo ho, pirates life for me, yo ho. Hi, are you pirates ready to parlay? I said, are you ready to parlay? Starboard side, let me hear ya! Port side, make some noise! A pirate's life for me, yo-ho! Hi, you're a fine-looking pirate crew, ladies. We're here to rock the boat. Let me introduce me crew. This is Gold McGee on guitar. Rusty Bones on keys. Two-Toe Tom on the bass. And there, that's Bubbles on the drums. This is me crew, and I need these Sir Loxley. We're beggars and blinders and ne'er-do-well cats, stand up, we are yo-ho. I know we're not fighting mommies and dads. Stand up, me on yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, a pirate's life, yo ho, yo ho. Now, it be me honorary honor. The reason we're all here. See me giving them hell up in Tortuga, running a rhino auction. She's my captain. She's your captain. She's Captain Ryan.
We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. We've got the right to sit to try and make us. Ahoy! I said ahoy! Welcome aboard the ship.
Aye, and where ship it be?
I wanted this here ship off of Jack Sparrow, wretched pirate. And I found this here scroll tucked away in a bottle below deck. Not a rum bottle, my G Sparrow would have found it there. And this scroll, it speaks of a sparkling treasure. On the 11th day of the 11th month, by 4 captains of the Caribbean Sea. Parlay, they must call out, that is the key. Place thy hand on this scroll in yellow. Go ho! To the sparkling treasure we shall behold.
Blimey, that means tonight!
I sent word out to the 3 other captains of the Caribbean. I told them to look for the ship, which rocks like the sea in a hurricane. Let's make sure they know it's us.
Alright, sounds like it's time to break out the old Rockin
I like your thinking, Monster. Aye, you up there's in the crow's nest. How we be rockin'? Moxley, we're in trouble. I say we better jump to it and rock the high seas so the other captains can find us.
You heard your captain. It's time to rock the boat!
I was born in a crossfire hurricane. And I heard them along in the driving rain. But it's alright. If that's what you guess, but it's alright. Jumping jack fast in the gas, gas, gas.
Let's see what you got, Captain Red.
Be careful what you ask for, Moxley. Oh, I was dead. I am too mysterious.
Oh, old school, with the strap right across my bed, yeah.
But it's alright.
Yes,
But it's alright. Jumping jack fast. Gas, gas, gas. Avast-ye! Raise the mainsail. Hoist the colors. Ready the cannon. Batten down the hatches. Crew, we rock on. Fire the cannon. I was drowned, I was lost, I'll be left for dead. I fell down to my feet as the sun bled.
oh, I frown at the crumb of a crust of rain. Oh, yeah, yeah, I was crowned with the spark right through my head. But it's alright.
Back in the dance,
But it's alright.
jumping jack flash, the gas, gas, gas.
It's all that jumping is sure to affect the Rockometer.
Hi there. Now how we be rocking?
Not quite hurricane strength.
Listen up. You're pirates on my crew now, and my crew knows how to rock the high seas. Show me your pirates, or you'll all walk the plank.
You show us everything you got. You keep on dancing in the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you
Say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just become a living room. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Hit it, Bubble! Hi, my man!
I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. Wanna rock and roll all night. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I shiver me timbers, we did it! And here they come now! Captain Shacklewall!
Parlay?
And Captain Manbart!
Parlay.
Ahoy, Captain! You found us there. It was hard to miss you.
Though calm the waters be, your ship was rocking.
We rocked the boat!
Now, let's get that sparkling treasure.
Give me this in one, Captain!
Where be that son of a Jack?
Parlay.
Get yourself down here, Jack Sparrow.
Catch me, Jack Sparrow.
On the 11th day of the 11th month, my poor captains of the Caribbean Sea, parlay they must pull out that to the sea. Place thy hand on this
plunder, we rifle and loot, stand up, PRT, yo ho. We kidnap and rob and don't give a hoot, stand up, PRT, yo ho. Yo ho.